Hi everyone. Imagine this. You're running a restaurant, a hotel, or any kind of service-based business. You're getting calls 24/7 and a lot of people are trying to booking for an appointment. What if there was a smarter way to handle all of this without any human intervention? Well, now there is. This automation workflow that we have made schedules all your appointments in your Google Calendar and also updates the customers about their upcoming meetings and the scheduling appointments. So now let's see how this works in Make.com and Vapi. So our system uses Vapi, which is a powerful conversational AI used to handle all the conversations. We have made an agent called Receptionist, and its job is to customize the user experience by asking them their questions, the booking confirmation details, and also checks the real-time availability with the calendar and checks the real-time availability within the calendar and gives out the available slots so that the customer can choose from the slots and book their appointment. You have given it the purpose, the available times it has to list, and we have given the tool calls. Now let's jump into Make and see how this works. So while the customer is on the call, this particular webhook is triggered by a tool, which is then analyzed by ChatGPT as to what their intent and the purpose of the call is. Then we have a tools module, which is setting a variable for the times, and then we are checking the availability in the Google Calendar. If it's weekdays, we are then scheduling it, and if it's not, if it's a weekend, we are processing the request. If it's not, we are just saying that we are not open on the weekend. That is based on the customer and the client's booking requirements. Also, we have two routes here where if there is no appointments available, we are just giving them an answer that we are all booked, and if it's available, we are iterating all the slots we have from the calendar and giving them back to our ChatGPT to format it in the date and time specific way. Then if the availability is found, we are just giving the available slots on the call. So Vapi will read out all these available slots from our call. Then we have the second scenario. This scenario works after the call has been made. So once the call has been made and the booking is confirmed, it goes inside ChatGPT to analyze a summary of the booking and the note of why the booking is made, and then it will go to calendar to create an event. This particular automation will also send a message or a notification back to the call that your meeting has been successfully booked. So that's it for the whole flow. Our AI does not just take reservations, but it offers a customizable reservation system. This system knows the user preferences and schedules the booking appointments accordingly. It also follow-ups the questions and answers the relevant questions they might have. This system is truly transformative for any business trying to cut off their manual work or the job for a receptionist and save up hundreds of dollars and hours. So, if you like this workflow and want something similar for your business and you're ready to take your booking process to the next level, reach us out at GrowStacks and we'll help you build the same for your business. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.